I'm AC Cash. This is
Jay the Technician.
And this is
JD. Boom!
And we're coming to you on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the everyday investor invest in real estate and stock market to achieve financial security. Hey, I know you want to get into it, and we'll do it. We'll just drop the bomb and we'll leave it, okay?
Hey, Cash is back, man.
Okay.
Cash is back.
Hey, I've been on tour, but we're back.
Cash
Let's
is
give
back.
you a couple of these bombs. Let's get at it.
Pivot Point Investors. And I'm JD. Boom! With Pivot Point Investors. And this is
AC Cash.
Hey, we're here back. We got this guy back in the building. Cash with a K is back in the building. Can you believe it?
Hey,
this joker just came from Miami, man. He was on the jet. He was on the plane. He came back. What you got for Miami, man?
Hey, I just want to drop a little something, man. We don't want to keep it long.
Okay.
Hey, it's a new year.
It is.
New things popping.
It is.
And I'm back in the building. You know I'm back on the block.
Building, back on the block.
So let's do this
February, we running with this thing. What's up, man?
Hey, one pause. GameStop.
Yeah.
Coming back to Earth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, crashed her.
Crash to Earth. Oh, what were we? 300 something? What were we?
480.
480. Now we're getting under $50 a share. That's just to say what comes up sometimes comes down, but if you're hanging with Pivot Point Investors, we'll direct you in the right direction.
That's right.
But for me,
yeah,
we're going to talk a little bit about this real estate, let you know it's coming.
Absolutely.
Hey, I know they've been waiting for it. They've been waiting for the course, and
yeah,
you know, I had to put some finishing touches on it.
Yeah, they've been killing me by it. They've been killing me by the course.
Well, we're about to drop this thing.
We dropping the thing,
yeah,
man.
but I had to wait. I had a lot of action in Miami. Real estate thing is popping. It's always popping down in the bottom. But I wanted to let them understand that it's coming, and I wanted to give a little extra game.
Okay.
A little extra into the pot.
Well, go ahead,
and that's what I did.
Go ahead.
So hey, we're talking real estate, we're talking money. It's all about the money.
It is.
And in this real estate game, there's different ways to get it. There are riches in the niches.
Riches in the niches.
Riches in the niches.
Okay.
And we want to teach all the little niches that'll get you to the riches.
Absolutely.
So that's why we had to put that pause button on and give them a little more info.
Okay.
And while we're not going to throw it all out in this conversation, just let them know that, hey, the real estate course is about to drop. We got the stock options, the stock trading, the advanced trader course. All that stuff is just sitting there.
We got beginners, we got intermediate, we got advanced.
That's what we're talking about.
Absolutely.
And that real estate dime is about to drop.
So,
Pivot Point Investors, we want to keep you engaged, we want to keep you informed, we want to keep you educated so you can get the riches in the niches. Pivot Point Investors. We'll see you on the other side.
Absolutely. JD, boom!
And I'm AC Cash, coming to you on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we want to grow your dollars into dimes, dollars, hundreds, thousands, and some better stacks for 2021. We're here for you.
Let's go.
Take care.